owners of Nintendo's Switch looking for something to play now have many new options to choose from. A lot of new titles are now available in Eshop. This week, 18 games arrived to the digital store, along with a couple of demos and a new Eshop sale that is underway for a limited time. Topping the releases this week is the acclaimed survival game Do Not Starve. The title puts the players in the role of Wilson, a chivalrous scientist trapped in the desert by a demon. Players must guide Wilson through the hostile world, gathering resources and food to avoid starvation. The Switch version also includes the DLC expansions of Reign of Giants and Shipwrecked. In addition to Do Not Starve, this week the charming adventure game Burly Men is presented. The title follows the story of three great bearded fishermen, who move away from the ordinary to look for adventures. The game presents multiple branching routes according to your choices, which will lead fishermen to a series of encounters with creatures of folklore.